Hello everyone, this is Shreya here. Today I'll be speaking about cloth pads and period panties. How can we use them to manage our menstruation and why they are more sustainable options rather than using regular sanitary pads which are available widely in the market. Now, as they say, if you want to sustain longer period of time, you have to go back to your roots. So we are exactly doing the same but with certain tweak. Now, as you are aware, अपनी our mothers and our grandmothers, they used to use kapda to manage their menstruation. So cloth pads and period panties, they are made of the same thing, which is cotton. They used to use cotton, but वो लोग क्या करते थे कि वो कुछ भी मतलब अपना पेटीकोट हो गया या अपना साड़ी हो गया, पुराना जो भी क्लोथ पड़ा हो घर में, उसको थोड़ा धो के अच्छा करके they used to use that. And the cloth pads are more refined and proper version made out of fresh cotton, fresh, non-abrasive, so they don't give you rashes. They are very soft, they are very absorbent, so you don't have to worry about leaking and everything. So let's get to know more about what is exactly cloth pad and period panty further in the video. Alright, so as you can see it here, this is the cloth pad. It is made of cotton, very soft cotton, and it is made in a similar way. Just say it has got wings, just like our regular sanitary pads. It comes in varied sizes and varied thickness as well, as you can see, so that you can use it as per your flow and as per your comfort. Basically, it even comes in this size, so like there are different sizes and different materials. So basic material remains cotton, but there are different kinds of cotton available in the market as well. So it's a very soft and skin friendly cotton. Now when I started menstruating, I also used kapda because mothers, they were not exposed to so many options through which you can manage your menstruation. So my mother gave me kapda and I started using the same kapda as well. Then I moved to sanitary napkins, and later on, sanitary napkins, basically they used to give me too many rashes from the day to second day or third day. Such bad rashes that I couldn't walk. So I thought there has to be certain other options as well, and I googled and I came to know about cloth pads and menstrual cup and tampons, of course. But then I specifically wanted which sort of options are there in the market which are sustainable as well, which are economical and sustainable. So I picked up cloth pads and menstrual cup, and cloth pads basically have been they have been constant in my life since almost past 5 years now, and I have got no complaints, and I'm pretty much happy that okay, chalo, I made final acha choice in my life, because as a woman you menstruate almost for 20 to 25 years of your life, right? Average, I'm saying. And using sanitary pads doesn't seem to be a feasible option to me personally, because they first thing, they give me rashes. Second thing, they're not economical, and most importantly, they are not good for our environment, because one sanitary pad takes about 500 to 600 years to decompose fully in the earth. Now this is as per certain research which has been done. So I use cloth pads. Now how to use cloth pads? It is in a similar way. It has got wings, so you just tuck it into under your panty and then use it. When I'm working, what I do is I use a wet bag which has got like 2 compartments. So in one compartment I take all the fresh pads from home, and as and when I use, I the soil pad, what I do is I like pack it like this, and then just drop it in the well pack. And once I'm home, I take it out, I soak it in normal temperature water, not cold, not hot, mind you, because otherwise stains हो जाता है pads में. So normal temperature water में I just soak it in for like few hours, and then I wash it with normal detergent or any skin friendly detergent available in the home. And I make sure to dry it in full sun available, because sun, as we all know, it's the best antibacterial thing on the earth. So it allows, I mean, sun allows not to build any sort of infection or any health issues while using cloth pads. Though if you have cleaned it properly, I don't see any problem, you know, कि इससे कुछ infection होता है. But if the direct sun is not available at your home, then what you can do is just dry it in any, like, you know, open airy area, so that it gets properly dried. Now the same way, there is this period panty which is available, which I prefer to use on 4th and 5th day of my period, when I have lesser flow. Now period panty also comes with certain inserts which you can, you know, insert here and then use it so that you don't leak. So this is again a very great option for it feels very comfortable, very cozy, and that sort of thing. Now this all the options. Now people come to me and they ask, okay, does it leak? It doesn't, for certain reason, because like there are 4 layers there in this pad, right? So there are like 3 layers, and then there is one thin what do you say, a layer of plastic sheet here, so just like below this particular final layer, right? So it so that plastic sheet doesn't make it 100% environment friendly, but the one pad goes with you like for at least 5 to 7 years if you use it properly, right? So comparatively to other sanitary pads, it is of course environment friendly, because sanitary pads, the regular sanitary pads, are made of, you know, different like plastics and whatnot. Cotton of course is there, but they are chemically bleached, and I personally feel they are very much harmful to our skin and our health also. So yes, so it is all about what is cloth pad is made of. Now people also have one more query usually, which is because you have to wash it, you know, it is time consuming. Now first thing, I don't see washing my own blood as you know, a gross thing, because it kind of liberates you, and it kinds of connect yourself with your own body in different way. And secondly, it just takes, you know, washing any single pad takes about 5 minutes of your day. So I don't see any problem in allocating that 5 minutes for my own self in particular day. So I wash them while I'm having shower, so that, you know, I save my own time there. And during like total cycle, all 5 days, you need all about like 15 to 20 pads depending upon your own flow. So what I have done is I have gradually built that stash of my own pads, because it is again an investment. You know, it comes like the average cost of cloth pads is about 200 per pad. So I didn't buy, you know, all of them together. What I did was I gradually built my own stash and invested in it, so that, and they are there with me since like 5 years, last 5 years. So I use menstrual cup and cloth pads simultaneously, as in when I have that, as per my mood. So, and I have been very happy with it. So yeah, so it is all about cloth pads, how you can use it, how you can wash it, and how you can, store it. Okay, yeah, so the storage part, I just, after, like, I finish my cycle and all the pads are washed and dried completely, I wrap it in a cloth, like any cotton cloth, and then I just store it in some cotton bag, which is reusable. And the next, they are ready for the next cycle. So yeah, they are great environment friendly option if you are thinking of picking an environment friendly and economical option to manage your menstruation. I hope you found this video informative. For any query, you can reach to me on my email ID, which is stated in the video itself. So thank you. Thank you.